every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try, okay, let me concentrate, Laura's spaghetti aglio e olio. Is it that? I swear I listened to her say that name like 50 times. I cannot still say it. So in simple words, I'm going to try spaghetti with garlic and oil. Extra virgin olive oil to be exact. So if you're curious to see how it goes, how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 250 grams of spaghetti, 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic sliced, 10 grams of pine nuts, 3 grams of fresh parsley, roughly chopped, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and black pepper. I'm going to start with the spaghetti. So I have a large pot full of water coming to a boil. I'm gonna season it with salt really well and then add the spaghetti. I'm going to cook it according to package instructions to al dente. If your package instructions just gives you 1 time, subtract 2 minutes and you're good to go. Perfect. Now that that's done, I'm gonna give it a stir here and there, but now I can actually move on to the sauce. So to a small skillet, I'm going to add at the same time extra virgin olive oil and the garlic, and I'm going to preheat them both together over medium-low heat for around 5 minutes. Okay, still had 2 minutes to go, but I feel like my oil preheated faster and I don't want to burn the garlic. So I'm going to add the pine nuts and the red pepper flakes and continue cooking for 3 more minutes. Goodness, I'm such an expert at making a mess while cooking. I'm such a messy cook, but I like cooking. I guess, I don't know, I guess that's what matters, and I clean up after myself. So, but like looking at how quick and easy this recipe was, I don't get how I managed to make such a mess. Okay, my mouth is watering. The smell is so nice. I love garlic and I can definitely smell it. If you don't like garlic, I don't think you should try this recipe. This smells like divine garlicky, like, I don't know, place to be now. Okay, enough talking. I feel that this will be so hot because this was so quick. My God. You can definitely, that was not a modest bite. You can definitely feel the garlic. My God, that oil is infused with garlic. Tastes so nice. This garlic is like candy. It's crunchy, but it's like sweet, not burned at all. I was so afraid that, you know, like there's a fine line between a tasty garlic and a burned one. So I was quite cautious, you know, at keeping an eye on that garlic because just right when it starts getting golden brown, you want to add the pine nuts and by no means do the heat too high. Like it's better lower than higher, I feel like in this case. But this as simple as it is, this is great. It's so funny. I can see how someone could make fun of me. I like spicy food. I like spicy in the sense with a lot of spices, and I like flavorful food. And now I'm like so into this like so simple spaghetti. Like there's hardly anything here, but this, as I had a feeling, this really turns out to be the perfect side dish. It's not overpowering, it will go with anything and everything. I feel like this is a great recipe to have in your recipe binder. I know for sure I will be making this just because it's like, I don't know, I have this whole thing, maybe I shouldn't go into that. I have this whole thing with side dishes. I feel like they're harder than the actual main dish itself, because the main dish you can switch up and like try this and that, and side dishes there's just that many of them, so it's always nice to have another one in your repertoire. Would this be considered like a main dish, I wonder? Like, could you just order and eat it? This is great, nothing wrong with that, but like it's really simple. Anyways, I really liked it, I really enjoyed it. It will go straight into my recipe binder, as I said, into side dish category. This is a great find. I'm very pleased. And I like pine nuts. My mom is a constant supplier of them to me because she knows they're very healthy, and she orders me to eat 1 teaspoon of pine nuts every day. So I always have some of them, so it's really nice to incorporate them into dishes as well. Okay, enough blabbering, this is getting cold. I really want to go and enjoy it. This is how Laura's looks like. Pretty much the same, well, except I ate all the pine nuts and the garlic from the top already. And this is the link to her video if you want to watch it yourself. If you want to try this recipe out, you can find the written recipe in the description box down below, as always in American and the metric systems, because I am using metric system and I need to convert Laura's recipes into the ones that I could understand and try myself. So if you're using metric system yourself as well, you're welcome. The job's done for you in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more pasta recipes, the whole playlist is there. I hope I'm showing to the right side. And then that's it. I'm going away. See you soon. Bye.